Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solution. We are looking at the solutions to the 2020-2023 NABTE examination, the theory part of the mathematics question. Today we are at question 7a, Roman figure 2, and it says if log base 10 3 equals 0.4771, log 10 5 equals 0.6990. Evaluate without using tables. Log 10 1500. So our duty is to express this in the log that we are given. So log base 10 1500. We can write this expression to become log base 10 into 15 multiplied by 100. We can write it to become log 10 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 2. Remember, we are given 5 and 3. So from here, we can split from multiplication to addition. Log 5 plus log 3 plus log 10 raised to power 2. Now let us substitute. Log 5 is said to be 0.6990 plus log 3 equals 0.4771 plus 2 log 10. So from here, 0.6990 plus 0.4771. Remember, this is 1 plus 2 multiplied by 1. So this is now 0.6990 plus 0.4771 plus 2. So if we add the three variables together, it gives us 3.1761. So thank you very much. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. Till I see you again, please subscribe to this channel to get us some solutions and videos from me. Thank you very much.